We have already seen that a ceiling can be created individually and also we can draw it. Let's look now the third method, which is the automatic placement. Once you start the command, the program will check each room one by one on this level, and it will create a ceiling over them. In this project, the program found and edited 24 ceilings. This way, in a larger project, you can place ceiling in every room at the same time. Let's check it in the 3D window. However, if you still need to edit a ceiling afterwards, or if you want to place a ceiling with a different structure, simply select and delete them. This is what I will do on this project. A single ceiling will be created in a larger room, and already existing grid ceilings will be also erased in few more rooms. Let's check the grid ceilings, which are now available. On the top left corner, zoom in the office. Now you can see that the ceiling is on the right place because the lamp is placed on the green pre-drawn square, and the vent and fire alarm system can be found next to it. Let's look now at an example where these items are not at the right place. In this office, we need to rotate the entire raster of the ceiling. To do this, select the ceiling and choose Define Reference Point and Direction command from the local menu. And then select Define Unit Corner command. This unit is nothing more than a predefined drawing, but otherwise we can refer to any drawing elements. Select the bottom left corner and then move the cursor to the right to specify the direction. Click once to see the result. Everything fits nicely to the given point and direction. Let's look at another case when we should move further away a lamp and place another one. Select the local menu, Define Reference Point and Direction command again, and now choose Define Unit Corner command. Select one of the corner points of the drawing above, then the direction. This one is fine. It is in the right place. To assign a luminaire, use the local menu Add Units, Add Lamps option. Select the luminaire and after pressing OK button, click once to place to the previously drawn location. Undo this and look at another option. Not only for ceilings, but this will also work on walls, slabs, or any other existing architectural elements, the selection by holding down the Alt key. With this method, click on the upper luminaire to bring up the component editing mode. This can be seen that the icons of the ceiling elements appear. Click on the light bulb, the light icon, and choose Move Copy from the appearing menu. Then place the copy to the right place with one click. In a sense, this is the same command that we use through the local menu. Let's look at another example where we only need to modify the settings. The Office 01 also needs 2 luminaires. We should use the previous examples, or we can do it by changing the settings. Select the ceiling and then click on the pencil icon to open its properties. Here we can see the ceiling. We like to change the layout of lamps according to the floor plan. Go to the Ceiling Light tab, because we need 2 items. Choose One Row option. It is almost good, but we need to modify the step to have 1 luminaire in every 4th panel. Therefore, write Main Runner Grid step value to 4. The distribution starting point is in the middle. So, you also need to move it along the red arrow with the value of 2. The main runner grid offset value should be -2. The right allocation is now ready.